In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy formatting in Google Docs. If you've ever spent time manually matching fonts, sizes, and colors across your document, this tool will save you a lot of effort and keep your work looking consistent from start to finish. First, start by selecting the text that already has the formatting you want to reuse. This could be a heading with a specific font and color, a paragraph with particular line spacing, or a list with customized bullets. When you select it, you're telling Google Docs, "This is the look I want." The Paint Format tool copies both character styling, like bold, italics, and color, and paragraph styling, such as alignment, indentation, and spacing. So choose a sample that represents everything you want to replicate. Next, click the Paint Format icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small paint roller. When it's active, the icon highlights and your cursor changes to indicate that you're carrying the formatting. Now move to the place where you want that style applied. Highlight the text or object that should take on the new look. As soon as you release your mouse, the formatting will be applied instantly. This is perfect for making subheadings match, aligning body text styles, or giving captions a consistent appearance without manually adjusting each setting. If you need to apply the same formatting to more than one location, make the tool persistent by double-clicking the Paint Format icon instead of single-clicking it. With the tool locked on, you can move through your document and continue highlighting additional text or objects, and each selection will adopt the exact same style. This is especially handy when you're standardizing multiple headings, updating lists in several sections, or ensuring that callouts share the same emphasis and spacing. When you're finished, remember to turn the tool off so you don't accidentally apply the style somewhere else. You can do that by clicking the Paint Format icon again, or simply pressing ESC on your keyboard. The icon will return to its normal state, and your cursor will go back to the standard pointer, confirming that the tool is no longer active. That's all there is to it. Select a well-formatted example, click the Paint Format icon, highlight your target text or object, and let Google Docs handle the rest. For multiple locations, double-click to lock the tool and click again or press ESC to deactivate. With this simple workflow, you'll keep your documents clean, consistent, and professional in just a few clicks.